Welcome back, guys, to Cryptofly channel. Today we'd like to talk about AAVE plan for 2023. How high or how low we can pump or dump this year. What's the main target for this year? Let's dive in. First of all, what you have to understand, the price now is $82 and somebody can tell, oh, it's pretty high for this coin, but this token got only 16 million token and 88% in circulation supply. So market cap now it's 1 billion and almost 200. So it's pretty low for the coin like this one. So if we zoom out and double check the historical move, the top was 8 billion market cap for this coin. And just with this circulation supply, if we got 8 billion market cap, but hypothetical 8 billion market cap again, the price can be around 571. So it's more than real for this coin to hit 500 once again. Because you have to understand, we analyze only technical picture of this coin. And I already explained it why. Because they can bring any single posts in media. They can pay for the media posts. They can pay the influencers to drive the hype around. They can make huge partnership with many companies, but it can not affect the price at all. 2 days ago, we got updates with Ethereum and everybody expecting the dump on the price, but Ethereum pump it. That's why some news including price, some news not. But our most important things, it's analyze zone of interest where we can buy and accumulate this coin and zone where we can out of this coin for a long run. So let's dive to technical picture, and I would like to show you my indicator set with pretty good win rate. So look, we got a basic FIB. Here's a top, here's a support, here's a reaction to 0.5 level by FIBs. First level, 0.5, correction, done. Tested once again with a huge week. Almost every single time we come back to close 50% of this week. Then we collapse it down to 27 zone. But like on many other altcoins, we didn't touch 27 level. 27 level is $37 for coin. Also at this range, we got the fair value gap. So if we come back, maybe this year or next one, if we, in the most horrible scenario, if we come back once again to this target, it will be the weekly fulfill this gap, what we got in 2020. And I would like to show you the potential move for this coin. Of course, I hope we will not see the 27 level because it's most likely not necessary to drop exactly to the level. We already was in 27 zone. To this zone, we came in May 2022. So almost 1 year we traded in this zone. But this gap is still untradeable. Of course, it's unnecessary, so we have to trade every single gap. Because I already showed you on a Bitcoin, we got a lot of gaps at $20, at $40 on a weekly, on a monthly time frame. Like you can see, this FIB irrelevant because we got reaction, pure reaction at 18 level by FIB. Here, reaction, rejection on the weekly. So if we take a look just on this FIB and the gaps, most likely we will grab these stop losses to people who open it short in April 2022. And we can close at least 50% of this weak candle on the weekly. Will we see this level this year? I don't know. But even if we'll see something like this one, we'll still be in a downtrend. So it's too early to talk about the huge alt season, next bull run or something. Yes, of course, most likely we are not in a bear market now. But we have all chances to see the move even like this one on altcoins. That's why let's dive into indicators. So the biggest accumulation stage on AAVE we got here in March 2022, here at 114 and in this area when we crashed to 60 to 70. So the average price can be around 100. For example, to AAVE. That's why the big players who accumulated here, they have all chances push the price even to 200 and they will make it double X withdraw initial deposit, and just leave free coins. So this is how the market makers works with their investments. And the problem between me, you, and your friends and the market makers, they don't care about the timing. They can wait 2 years, for example, with one position. So they can invest, for example, 1 million, just 1 million in AAVE with average price 100. Wait 1 year and just withdraw their coins, initial deposit, withdraw initial deposit at 200, take it back, own money, leave the free coins, zero risk, zero investment risk, and just hold these coins for the next bull run, for new all-time high, for example. This is a difference, you know. They don't need to worry about the timing, about double X or triple X or 5X for altcoins. With a huge initial deposit, you can make only 2X, withdraw initial deposit, leave free coins, and with zero risk, making money from the air. So this is how it works. A to Z, we can close Cryptofly direction. Here we got a signal to buy here. On Cryptofly direction, no signal to sell now. Here we got a signal to buy on a weekly at $59. On a daily, we got signal, I guess, earlier here in January at 52. So from this call in January, you could make to the top around 78%. 78% move. So it's good. Now we got on the daily here signal to close your position, to sell. And you can use this indicator, depends of your trading strategy. For example, if you are swing traders, you just got a signal to buy here and wait when the signal to close position, like this circle, appear at the top, red one, or signal to close position with triangle down, red one at the top. So it's pretty simple. Everything depends just on your trading style and trading strategy. Also, why we can see one more time this drop, because if we mark this like a range, you know, we can forming the deviation here at the top 135, for example, with a weak candle, and drop it down, forming the deviation at the bottom here. Close, for example, 50% of this fair value gap. So this is how it works. So now we're just in the range, 1 year in the range. If we're breaking out this range like this one with retest, we can go in higher. So it will be the bullish signal for AAVE. Let's take a look on market mode. Market mode on weekly time frame. If you watched my previous video about Ultimate Pay, you saw, so the Ultimate Pay now, it's totally in extreme overbought zone. Extreme red color here. So we was here. Here was a top of a bull run, not in November. Here in February, March, April, May. Here was a top for many altcoins, even for Bitcoin. Then just Bitcoin forming double top, and everybody screamed, "Oh, we're going to 100," but it was a trap. So now every single time when you see the white color on the chart, on the higher time frame, it works perfectly well. So it's time to buy, time to accumulate. So you can use the market mode for this strategy, pretty easy. So you see here, we came into white color on a weekly. You buying at 140, buying at 70, and buying at 46. So your average price can be around 80, for example. So you now almost at break even. So when you make a move like this one, you can withdraw initial deposit and just leave for coins like market makers. Let's go to trade on. On trade on indicator, we got here top of a bull run. So we around over than I guess 2 years in a bear market. So we got a signal to sell, 3 signal to sell at the top, and now we got just recommendation close position. No signal to buy or sell on a weekly time frame. And I think sooner or later, after the move like this one, for example, just hypothetical move, we can see the signal take profit on a weekly and new signal to buy on a weekly. So it will be the confirmation of bull run for altcoins and for AAVE especially. And the last one indicator, what I would like to show you, it works perfectly well for swing traders or for investors. here's a take profit, and you know how it works. Every single time on weekly or even on the daily, depends on your strategy. I use this indicator for swing trades, for position trades, and for investments on a daily, weekly, and monthly. On a weekly, we drop it under fundamental price. So the last line, it's fundamental price. So it's a real value of this coin. So we drop it down, trade long time period, around 1 year, we trade it here, just in the range. And now, like you can see, the magnet for the AAVE will be this stop losses. This stop losses, it's exactly take profit level 197. So now we test the fundamental price. Next step, it will be the buy line at a crucial level 100 per coin. And like a magnet, we can see something like this one. So every single time when you see the coin laid down on the fundamental price, of course, these lines are dynamic, so we can drop even down, you know, but it's good time to accumulate coin or even buy on a spot. Take profit, it's not about the futures. It's for spot, for investment, for swing trader, for position traders. So now from fundamental price here, 73, to take profit, it will be 167% pump. To the exit line, it can be around 200. Of course, we can see any weak candles like this one. So don't be greedy and take profit if you accumulate here. Guys, I hope you liked this video about AAVE. If you want to trade with my custom indicator set 6-in-1, what I showed you in this video, just write me DM. All link will be on the description or first pinned comment. And also subscribe channel, hit the like button, hit the bell notification button, and don't forget to join my Telegram channel. See you next time, guys.